Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm going to talking about round numbers. For rounding numbers we have to follow the rounding rules. The rounding rule is identify the place value digit you want to rounding, and then look at the digit on the right. After the numbers you want to rounding, if the digit is less than 5, the numbers stay the same without change. But if the digit is 5 or greater than 5, we have to add 1 to the numbers that we want to round in. Example number 1, round 3,581 to the place named. First, we can identify the place value digit. The first number at right is ones, so this one is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and then we have to round tens. Tens is 8, so we have to write the numbers at left without change, so we have to write 35. And then tens is 8, and after 8 we have 1. By rounding rule, if we have 5 and greater than 5, this number increase by 1. But if after this 8 we have a number less than 5, this number we want to round in stay without change. So we have 1 is less than 5, it means this 8 it does not change. And then after this number that we want to round in, we have to the all numbers after this number that we want to round in become 0, so this one become 0. This is tens. After that you have to round hundredth. Hundredth is 5. We have to write 3 without change, and then after 5 we have 8, and 8 is greater than 5. By rounding rule, 5 increased by 1. 5 plus 1 equal to 6, and then these two numbers become 2 zeros. After that we have to round 1,000. 1,000 is 3, and after 3 we have 5. By rounding rule, if we have 5 and greater than 5, this number that we want to round in increase by 1, so 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and then these 3 numbers become 3 zeros. Example number 2, round 8,914 to the place named. The first one is tens. First one is tens. After tens we have 100, and 8 is 1,000. So tens is 1. We have to write 89 without change. And then after 1 we have 4. 4 is less than 5, so 1 stay without change, and then this 4 become 0. After that you have to round hundredth. 100 is 9, so after 9 we have 1, so you have to write 1,000 without change. And after 9 we have 1. By rounding rule, this 9 stay without change because 1 is less than 5, so 9 stay, and these two numbers become 2 zeros. After that you have to round 1,000. 1,000 is 8, and after 8 we have 9. 9 is greater than 5. By rounding rule, 8 increased by 1 become 9, and this 3 numbers become 3 zeros. Example number 3, round 2650 to the place named. First we have tens. 0 is ones, 5 is tens, 6 is 100, and 2 is 1000. We have to round tens. Tens is 5. We have to write 26 without change, and 5. After 5 you have 0. 0 is less than 5, so 5 stay without change, and we have 0. After that you have to round 100. 100 is 6. Before 6 we have 2, you have to write 2, and after 6 we have 5. By rounding rule, if we have 5 and greater than 5, the number that we want to round in increase by 1. So 6 plus 1 equal to 7, and these two numbers become 2 zeros. After that you have to round 1000. 1000 is 2, and after 2 you have 6. 6 is greater than 5, so 2 increased by 1 become 3, and this 3 numbers become 3 zeros.